Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you how to make ASP.NET Core compile modified views. ASP.NET Core 3.0 application doesn't build view automatically by default when changes are made. Views are built when application compiles, and this is expected final state of for views. I mean to say that when your application run and just if you want to any changes in your HTML page, then there is no required to recompile the page. Just like that, if anything changes in table, like in a table class or in a bootstrap class, then what happen with your code if I mean to say that not render or not interpret your page. So how to fix that problem without compilation? So just add it into your startup.cs file. After that, services.add controller with views, you can add these things. So first of all, add a new package for that runtime compilation, that is Microsoft ASP.NET Core.mvc.razor.runtime compilations. I mean to say that runtime compilation happen after your application will run. So just after that, you can use if mode is debugging, so that is a debug. So you can apply that thing like mvc dot runtime compilation, add runtime compilation, razor pages runtime compilation. I mean to say that add razor add that is razor runtime compilation method and if. Okay, that's fine. Now after that, you make some changes in your HTML file. So looking like that. So turn on runtime compilation to make ASP.NET Core automatically recompile modified views. So just check it. That is, there is the process in my project. Just create a new view and check it. There is some data. If you want to add this thing in your application, then you can make application as a developer. So here is no border in your table. So if you want add table border like bootstrap changes table border, so just only saved it your project and just refresh, and your compilation is runtime compilation is there. Yeah, changes occurred successfully. There is border. So thank you very much for watching this video.